Well, most of the recipes that are in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere, by the way, entail just putting some ingredients in a bowl and popping it in the toaster oven. And that's what this is. This is just going to be chicken, baked chicken, which I love. So easy. I'll show you how. Now this is actually chicken legs, and they're big. I'm going to fit them into this Pyrex pan like this. They've been rinsed. Okay, here's some orange juice. Here's some soy sauce. And, I love this stuff, toasted powdered garlic. This is the toasted garlic powder. That's it. This could be for 4 people or 2 people, depending on the appetites of whoever is dining with you. I'm going to put a foil cover on this, nice and tightly fitting, and we're going to pop this into the toaster oven just like that. Now I'm going to set the temperature for 350, and I'm going to set the timer for 2 hours. Done. Now I'm going to boil up some potatoes to go with this, and then maybe I'll go and do a watercolor. I've got plenty of time. Okay, the timer went off, and this chicken has been a long time cooking. So this is my plan. What I'm going to do now is take this foil off. It's pretty easy to do. And then I'm going to put the chicken back in and give it another 30 minutes. Now, the thought behind this is, even though the chicken is really cooked, what I want to do is just, I don't know if you can see this, take a lot of the fat out of that chicken, because it's just chicken, and brown it. So actually, I think 15, oh, it's really well cooked. I think 15 will do it. So I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes just to brown it a little bit more. There we are. And we'll have this wonderful baked chicken. And done after that period of browning. Now, what is the plan behind this? Well, when you fry chicken, you get a lot of the fat, a lot of the breading. In this case, if you can see, a lot of the fat is liquid, and it's actually in the pan. So if I lift these out, you will see that there's very less fat on these chicken pieces, and that is the healthy advantage to baking, because not only is the fat taken from the skin, but also it is nicely browned. So it's quite wonderful. These chicken legs are beautifully browned. And while the chicken was baking, gosh, I got some potatoes, I steamed them, and then I made this beautiful, beautiful mashed potato. It's whipped with my beater that I have, an electric beater, so it's really fluffy and very nice. Oh, and there's our beautifully baked chicken leg. Now you can see a lot of the skin is devoid of the fat and is crispy, which is going to be so good. And I've gone ahead, put a little butter on the mashed potatoes, because I think we can afford that fat now that we've gotten rid of so much from baking it in the toaster oven. So get my book, pop it in the toaster oven. Try this recipe. It's really good. Bake that chicken and enjoy.